Welcome to Best Buying Guide. The Best Blind Extension Hair is probably one of the most versatile and transformative beauty products available today, offering a simple yet effective way to add volume, length, and style to your natural locks without the commitment of permanent changes. Whether you're looking to enhance your everyday look, prepare for a special occasion, or experiment with bold new hairstyles, these extensions provide a seamless blend with your own hair, creating a natural and undetectable finish that boosts confidence and elevates your overall appearance. They are designed for ease of use, allowing you to achieve salon-quality results right at home, making them a popular choice for anyone seeking a quick and dramatic hair makeover. Number 5. Crave Naturals Glide Thru Detangling Brush. Experience unmatched bristle durability with our original detangling brush. Its firm, quality bristles maintain their shape for long-lasting performance, making it a reliable choice for all hair types. Detangle without discomfort by working in small sections to prevent breakage. For stubborn tangles, use conditioner first, as it helps the brush glide through your hair more easily. This tangle-free hairbrush is designed to be kid-friendly. It removes tangles without yanking, making it ideal for little girls and toddlers. Enjoy gentle scalp care with our soft plastic bristles. They massage your scalp and increase circulation, promoting hair growth, perfect for sensitive scalps. Its travel-friendly design makes this Detangler brush easy to fit into your bag, purse, or pocket. It's perfect for quick touch-ups at school, playdates, or while traveling. What we like? This brush is designed for ultimate detangling without discomfort. Its durable bristles maintain their shape for long-lasting performance, while the gentle scalp massage promotes circulation. If you have sensitive scalps or struggle with knots, this is the perfect tool for you. What people say? The brush works wonders when it comes to detangling hair. It's very gentle and I noticed a lot less hair came out compared to using my regular brush or wide tooth comb. It is actually a little more firm than a newer Swissco, but it gets deep into your thick hair, catching every knot flawlessly. This brush was a Christmas present and I love it. It was given to me to replace my wet brush and it's definitely a step up. It doesn't have the little ends on the bristles that can fall off and stab your head, and its design is fun and stylish. It has done a great job detangling painlessly and my hair looks great after brushing. I also love how easy it is to completely clean out, no digging for all the hair that is trapped. Number 4. GOO Clip-In Human Hair Extensions. Experience the luxury of genuine human hair extensions. They are designed to blend seamlessly with your natural hair, offering comfort and a confidence boost. Our extensions feature slim, silicone-backed clips that are invisible, comfortable, and lightweight. They are easy to apply and secure, protecting your scalp and hair. Choose the perfect thickness for your desired look. Use 1 to 2 sets for natural thickness or 2 to 3 sets for a full, voluminous style. Discover a wide range of shades, including highlights and balayage. Find the perfect color to match your personality and style for any occasion. These extensions support heat styling like straightening and curling, while remaining soft. Remember to brush gently and apply hair oil weekly to maintain their silky softness. What we like? Experience the luxury of real human hair that blends seamlessly with your own. These extensions are designed for heat styling and comfortable wear with high-quality, invisible clips. If you're looking for a natural, voluminous look for a special occasion or everyday wear, these are an excellent choice. What people say? The quality feels really soft and nice, and the color matches exactly what was described. They hold a curl like my natural hair and do not have any funny smell. The real human hair blends seamlessly with my own, giving such a natural, fuller look. No one even knew I was wearing extensions. The clips are secure and comfortable, so they stay in place all day without pulling or slipping. Number 3. Doors Clip-In Human Hair Extensions. Experience the difference of high-quality, real human hair. Crafted with superb technology, these extensions are designed to meet your needs for beautiful, natural-looking hair. Indulge in the luxurious softness of these clip-in extensions. They are designed for comfort, with full ends and no split, ensuring a silky smooth feel. Achieve a seamless look in just 5 minutes. The U-shaped metal clips with silicone backing provide a secure and comfortable fit, protecting your scalp and reducing hair pulling. Discover a range of popular ombre and balayage colors designed to blend perfectly with your natural hair. We meticulously calibrate colors for the best match. With proper care, these extensions can last for 2 to 3 months. Follow the included instructions for washing and conditioning to maintain their beauty. What we like. Achieve a beautiful, blended balayage look with these soft and comfortable clip-in extensions. Made from high-quality real human hair, they offer full ends and a natural feel. If you desire a trendy, multidimensional color without the salon visit, these are perfect for you. What people say. The white blonde color is absolutely beautiful, bright, clean, and blends perfectly with my hair. The 18-inch length is true to size and gives amazing volume and fullness without feeling heavy. The hair is incredibly soft, smooth, and looks very natural. No excessive shedding, no weird smell, and the clips are strong and secure but still comfortable to wear all day. I also love that it can be styled just like my own hair, straightened and curled beautifully. They took the color perfect. She said they felt great and that they took the color perfect. I read a review that says not to use over 300 degrees of heat on these, and that's what I've been doing. See, because they are processed. They hold a curl fairly well, and even after washing them twice, toning them, dyeing them and using heat on them, they are still going strong. Number 2. CJL Hair Drawstring Curly Ponytail Extension. Achieve beautiful, voluminous hair in seconds with this versatile ponytail extension. It's designed to blend seamlessly with your natural hair for a flawless look. Crafted from high-quality synthetic fiber, this piece can withstand heat styling up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Feel free to curl or straighten it to match your desired style. Enjoy the flexibility of wearing it clipped in for shorter styles or attached with the drawstring for longer, fuller ponytails. It adapts to your hair length and preference. Elevate your look for daily wear, parties, cosplay, or any special event. It's your go-to solution for an instant, stunning hairstyle whenever you need it. Worried about color matching? We recommend checking colors in natural light or sending us a photo for personalized advice. We're here to help you find the perfect shade. Your satisfaction is our priority. If you experience any issues, please reach out to us. We are committed to providing excellent support and ensuring you love your new hair. What we like. Get an instant hairstyle transformation with this versatile synthetic hairpiece. It can be clipped in for shorter hair or attached with the drawstring for longer styles, and it's heat-friendly for styling. If you need a quick, stylish change for any occasion, this is your go-to solution. What people say. The streaks look exactly like my own. Easy to clamp on. Makes my hair look super full in the back and covers my thinning areas at the back top. Very full and realistic looking. Lots of people at the party asking if that was my real hair. It took me a little bit to figure out how best to attach it, but once I got the hang of it, it was very easy. It is compact enough to travel with even if you wanted to store in your purse and put it on later. The clip is comfortable over a ponytail and I honestly couldn't recommend it enough. My hair is pretty thin and makes a puny stick pole ponytail on its own, so when I added this clip, I finally felt like a normal human being with thick, beautiful hair. Number 1. 360 Degrees Duster Refills Kit. Experience a revolutionary way to clean. Our dusters attract and hold 4 times more dust in a single sweep, thanks to their static generating capabilities. The 360-degree design ensures no spot is missed. Clean every nook and cranny efficiently, eliminating the need for repetitive dusting. Perfect for tackling pet hair, dusting electronics, furniture, and blinds. It's safe for all surfaces and even cleans car interiors without scratching. Simply attach the handle and start dusting. It's a cost-effective alternative that works seamlessly with existing handles, offering great value. Our upgraded handle is made from biodegradable materials, ensuring safety and environmental responsibility. Its reinforced design guarantees long-lasting use. We are dedicated to your satisfaction. If you encounter any issues, expect a prompt response and a hassle-free replacement or refund. What we like. This duster kit offers efficient cleaning with its 360 degrees double-sided microfiber heads that trap significantly more dust. The reusable handle is durable and eco-friendly. If you're looking for a cost-effective and thorough way to clean everything from furniture to blinds, this kit is ideal. What people say. This one holds them on and they work like the Swiffer brand. The dust clings to the Swiffer and does not fall away like other brands. They go on the Swiffer duster much easier and they stay on and don't slide off. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.